Hello everyone, nice to see you again. We are on the ISE 2026 again, and this is our new product I want to introduce. This is new hologram display. It can display 3D video and Android system battery powered. So it's very nice to put on table to show any advertising content. And another products I want to show is our tabletop display. This is for advertising content display, also can for menu display, and also double side screen, and for more views, and also can charge phone. So this product can suitable for restaurant, hotel, coffee shop, bars, and it's a very innovative idea for advertising display and charging phone solution. So if you want more information, please find us on our website www.scfyd.net. Thanks very much.